Imagine standing in front of 100 secret doors. Every door hides a completely different world. Some hide incredible treasures. Some hide beautiful places. Some hide absolutely nothing. But only one leads to the legendary golden treasure. Can you guess which door it is? Let's begin. Door number 1 slowly opens, revealing a room filled with colorful flowers. Beautiful, peaceful, but definitely not the treasure. 99 doors remain. Every new door reveals another surprise. A glowing crystal cave, a frozen ice palace, a giant candy room, a hidden library, an underwater world. Every room is more incredible than the last, but still no golden treasure. The mystery keeps growing. One door hides a room of giant clocks, another a glowing forest, then a room filled with floating diamonds. Every discovery raises one question. Where is the golden treasure? 20 doors have now been opened. 80 remain. But just for a moment, one unopened door begins to glow with mysterious golden light. Could that be the treasure? We'll find out next. 20 doors are already behind us, but the golden treasure is still hidden. Somewhere among the remaining 80 doors, a legendary secret is waiting to be discovered. Let's keep going. Door 21 reveals a glowing crystal tunnel. Door 22, an underground waterfall. Door 23, a room made entirely of gold. But wait, it's only an illusion. Door 24, a giant mushroom forest. Door 25, a floating island in the clouds. Every door looks more incredible than the last, but still no treasure. Wait, look closely. One unopened door has a glowing golden symbol. We've never seen that before. Could it be the first real clue? Or is the treasure trying to trick us? There's only one way to find out. The next doors reveal an enchanted library, a frozen throne, a lava chamber, a room filled with floating lanterns, and a breathtaking crystal palace. Each room feels like another world, but the golden treasure remains hidden. 40 secret doors have now been opened. Only 60 remain. And somewhere behind one of them, something ancient has just awakened. The mystery is only beginning. 40 secret doors have already been opened. 60 still remain. Somewhere behind one of them, the legendary golden treasure is waiting. But the deeper we go, the stranger this place becomes. Every new door reveals something completely unexpected, and every discovery makes the mystery even bigger. Let's continue. Door 41 opens into a breathtaking crystal canyon. Every wall sparkles like glass. Door 42 reveals a giant room filled with floating waterfalls. Door 43 hides an endless staircase disappearing into the clouds. Door 44 contains an ancient library with thousands of glowing books. Door 45 reveals a peaceful moon garden lit by hundreds of glowing flowers. The next doors reveal a room of giant hourglasses, an underground river, a golden bridge, a floating island, and finally, a silent chamber with nothing inside. Still, no golden treasure. Wait, what's that? Hidden on the floor is an ancient golden key. But there's a problem. There are still 50 unopened doors. Which one does this key unlock? Is it the treasure room? Or another mystery? There's only one way to find out. Keep moving. The journey continues. One door reveals a glowing emerald cave. Another, a room filled with giant gears turning endlessly. The next, an underground ocean with glowing fish. Then, a hall of mirrors where every reflection points in a different direction. Another door opens, revealing a giant tree made entirely of crystal. Every room feels impossible. Every discovery raises even more questions. But one thing never changes. The golden treasure is still waiting. 60 secret doors are now behind us. Only 40 remain, but something incredible just happened. The ancient golden key has started to glow, and far down the hallway, 3 mysterious doors begin shining at exactly the same time. Only one can lead to the golden treasure. The others hide secrets that no one expects. The biggest mystery is about to begin. We've come too far to turn back now. 60 secret doors are already behind us. Only 40 remain. The ancient golden key is glowing brighter with every step forward. Somewhere ahead, one door hides the legendary golden treasure, but the others hide mysteries no one has ever seen before. Let's keep going. Door 61 reveals a breathtaking sky kingdom floating high above the clouds. Door 62 opens into a room filled with glowing blue crystals. Door 63 hides an underground river flowing beneath a bridge of gold. Another door reveals a forest where every tree shines like glass. One room contains a giant clock whose hands move completely backwards. Another reveals a hidden chamber filled with thousands of glowing stars. Every room is more incredible than the last, but still not the treasure. Wait, something has changed. 3 doors are glowing brighter than ever before. The golden key begins to move on its own. Slowly, it floats toward the center door. Then suddenly, it stops. No answer. No clue. Only silence. Is the key trying to help us or leading us into another trap? The search continues. Behind one door lies an enormous emerald palace. Another reveals a hidden lava waterfall. One room contains floating islands connected by glowing bridges. Another is covered entirely in sparkling ice. Then a mysterious treasure vault appears, filled with empty golden chests. Everything looks valuable, but nothing is the real prize. Only 10 doors remain. 90 secret doors have now been opened. Only 10 remain. The golden key is glowing brighter than ever. One final choice stands between us and the legendary treasure. But the biggest surprise is still waiting. Behind one last secret door. The ending changes everything. This is it. The journey that began with 100 secret doors has led us here. Only 10 doors remain. 9 hide incredible mysteries, but only one leads to the legendary golden treasure. The golden key is glowing brighter than ever. It's time to discover the truth. One by one, the final doors begin to open. One reveals a room filled with glowing sapphires. Another, an endless waterfall of light. The next, a palace carved from crystal. Another, a giant library of ancient scrolls. Then, a hidden valley covered in golden flowers. Every room is breathtaking, but none contain the treasure. Only one door remains. Everything has led to this moment. The golden key slowly rises toward the final door. The ancient lock begins to glow. For a moment, everything becomes silent. Then the door opens. A warm golden light fills the entire hallway. Behind the door lies a breathtaking treasure chamber. Mountains of gold, ancient crowns, rare gemstones, and a legendary golden throne. The treasure was real all along. The greatest treasure was never about finding gold. It was about never giving up. Every wrong door brought us one step closer to the right one. Sometimes the longest journey leads to the greatest reward. You made it all the way to the final door. Did you guess the correct one? Tell me which number you would have chosen before the reveal. If you enjoyed this adventure, subscribe, because next time we're exploring 100 mystery portals where only one leads to another hidden world. The next adventure is waiting